Hello. Y'all are up close and personal. If you're too close, let me know. Got some new products from Huda Beauty, and that is what we're going to play in today. So I got some new of these little, I don't know if these are mini palettes or just palettes, period. But I just got a few. I got the green one, and it looks like this. So we're gonna definitely use this one. And then I got the, like this brown looking one here, which we're probably gonna use this one too, a little bit. Then I got the blue one. Y'all, we're probably gonna end up using all these palettes today. I know I said a green look, but we're more than likely gonna end up using all of these. So this is what this one looks like. Absolutely love. And then this is the warm brown obsession. And it's just a very nice for fall. So if you have not gotten your hands on these and you're looking for something that's small and compact, now I don't know how they're gonna perform. We're gonna find that out all together here today. But they're really, really cute. Got them while they're on sale. We're gonna use this P. Louise base, and this is in the color Rumor 2 to prep my eyes for my shadow. And I'm using a Real Techniques beauty blender to blend this out, because I really, y'all, me and this base just don't get along. Let's start with we're gonna use this green right here out of the Emerald palette, Emerald Obsession Huda Beauty palette. We're gonna start with this, and we're just going to put this in our crease. Now I'm used to using like the MAC little quads or whatever you want to call them. So I was just like, ooh, these look pretty. Let me try them. I thought this green was going to be a lot darker. So it's coming off as, does that almost look teal to y'all? It's supposed to be like a forest green. So I'm going to go in. I'm going to start off with this. That color is closer to the one I just used. We are going to go in with this blue here, this blue, and then this blue, and we're gonna see what happens. So we're gonna move in with this darker blue, and I'm going to go in with a smaller brush, and this is a Luxie 231 small taper blending brush. And I'm gonna show y'all again. We're gonna go in with this dark blue right here, and we're gonna kind of deepen this up. Using the crayon case, this is just a flat brush. Y'all funny. It's just a flat brush. And I'm just going to, I'm a kind of like, I don't know if y'all can see that because I'm looking at the comments, but I'm going to dab it on both sides to kind of move it around. I'm going to use the blue that I had used at first from the Obsession, what is it? The Sapphire Obsession. And I'm using my my Lux 231. And girl, I'm like this all day, every day. And believe it or not, I be up in here by myself sometimes doing my makeup, joked out. And I'm just going to pack the blue, but I'm gonna layer it. Put this green right here on the lid. Let's see what that looks like. Don't make me mad. Why are these shadows blue? This is misleading. That's blue, huh? This is ratchet. I am going to go in using my NARS foundation. This is my go-to. And I am in the color Macau. It's time for me to open my other one. I still got a little bit in here. All right, let's open the other one. NARS is my favorite foundation of all time, like, period, at all. And I'm not saying period just because, you know, that's what people be saying. I'm saying period because, period. Love it. I used to be like, but now, like, a dramatic look, not too crazy, though. I think, you know what? For the longest time, I was always one of those people that would be like, I'm never wearing makeup. I don't need it, blah, blah, blah. And here I am, wearing makeup, and blah, blah, blah. And I'm saying that I don't like those lashes, which I probably never, ever will. But who's to say I won't? So I might come back and tell y'all something different a little later, child. But for right now, I'm good with my natural lashes. They give me a little pop, and that be that. So I'm just going in with my concealer. I am using the NARS concealer in walnut as well as caramel. I am concealing and highlighting at the same time. Y'all know, if y'all have been on my lives, y'all know that I am lazy and I do 2 for 1. Going in with the Juvia's Place setting powder in Kalahari just because it's what's on side of me. I really wanted to use my I was supposed to use my Fenty because it came in the mail, but I forgot it. Use powder contour today, and we are using the contour kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I am going in with this color in the middle here. And I'm going to use my Morphe brush. This is the brush that I use to with. But today, we're going to contour with it as well. Now, when you contour, it looks like I'm swiping. I'm not. I am pressing while moving really fast. So that's why it looks like I'm swiping it, but I'm really not. So you want to press it in. So I'm going in with Anglola, like I said. And I am going to just kind of tap off. Because you don't get a lot of this. But I like to be, like, glowing. I'm going to go in with this color here. And then I'm going to mix it with this color here. So I'm going to mix the two. And these, y'all, these things are so pigmented. Like, so pigmented. A little bit goes a long way. Ooh, child, look at that. Look at that blend, y'all. Can we just appreciate that blend for 1 second? Having fine hairs for the birds. I was trying to give y'all, child, a little something. Jesus Christ. It just, I don't know. My hair is problematic at times. I'm hair weak. Listen, I'm not talking about you. Okay? This is giving me somebody auntie vibes. I usually go 6 to 9. I pick the 6 to 9 slots. I will be live again on the 24th. Yeah. I ain't mad at it. I ain't mad at it at all. Them flexi rods didn't work though. I can tell you that. This is giving me like 90s like vibes. Like a little bit like, let me see. Yeah, this is giving me, y'all. Come on, somebody. Let's set this face using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. I probably should do this before I put my hair down. You are dismissed. Yes. Let that dry, y'all. We done. Yes, Aaliyah vibes. People used to tell me I look like Aaliyah when I was in middle school. I think they was lying though. I love her. Love her, whatever. So that is it, guys. Quick recap. Once this is dry, quick recap of everything. Y'all know I like to give y'all a quick recap. So if y'all ready, get your pens, get your paper. If you want to know what all I use, get your pen, get your paper, get ready, because I'm finna do a quick recap for y'all. I ain't mad at this. It didn't turn out, you know, the way I wanted it to, but I ain't mad at it. I ain't mad at it at all. I'm so happy y'all enjoyed. I really am. I enjoy doing these with y'all. I really, really do. Like, I really do. Okay, so just as a quick recap, let's recap. Foundation was the NARS foundation in the color Macao. Concealer was the NARS concealer in the color Walnut as well as Caramel. For my contour today was the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit, the powder. Also for blush, I used the NARS Blush in Laguna. Not blush, I'm sorry. Bronzer, I used Laguna, NARS. That's it for face. Blush, crayon case, the blush palette binder. That's what I use for blush. Eyes, we use the Huda Beauty, For eyes, we use the Huda Beauty Emerald palette, the green one, which is not green. It's not green at all. So if you're thinking about purchasing this, just keep in mind that the colors are not true to what they're supposed to be. They are more blue than they are green. I also use the Sapphire Huda Beauty palette as well for the eyes. Lashes are the these are the Ardell Demi Wispies in 113. Highlighter, crayon case, and Glola. Lips is going to be BFF lip pencil, which is Makeup Shayla Times Color Pops collaboration. Fenty Beauty Lippy in Lip to No Good. And for topper, gloss, I use the Creme Brulee NYX Butter Gloss. Setting powder, Juvia's Place Kalahari setting powder. Also MAC's Fix Plus. Girl, not Fix Plus. Freaking Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark to tie everything together. And to set everything, I use the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus as well as the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Recap. Hair, genetics. And that's that. That's it. You guys, like I said, you can follow me on Instagram as well as Facebook. On Facebook, I am on here as Dalana B. If you cannot follow, if you can't find my page, then go ahead and friend request me. I will accept you. Instagram is Dalana B _. YouTube is Dalana B. There, that's where you can find me. I am on the Twitter, but I don't really Twitter. Okay. Oh, brows. Yes, brows. I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pencil in the color dark brown. Base for my shadows, I use the P. Louise Ruin base in the number 2. And I think that's everything, guys. Brushes that I used for today were the Morphe brushes, crayon case, and what's the pink one? Luxie. Those are the brushes that I used today. And I think that's it, y'all. Oh, also for liner, I use the NYX liner, and then I also use the Juvia's Place gel liner. And that's it. That's it there. We gotta look. Let me let y'all. Hold on. Let me come up some. Let me see if y'all can see that. Let me get y'all a. So that's that. So yeah, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed it. Thank y'all for rocking with your girl again. I am Dalana B, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.